one dialogue of yours that इस बार भागोगे ना तो कंटाप लगाएंगे, मैं तुम्हारी बीवी बनने को तैयार हूँ, नर्स नहीं।
वो लाइन सच में मेरे दिल से निकली होगी because one has like seen the quality of men and then think मम्मी के पास जाओ ना कुछ हमसे क्यों बात कर रहे हो, उस टाइप का कुछ हो जाता है, एंगल आ जाता है।
Which is like a statement as well that आप मुझे मालूम है आप मुझसे प्यार नहीं करते लेकिन आपको मेरा इश्क मुबारक।
It's a very true thing and to be able to face your own truth is a very big thing. So I like that dialogue a lot actually.
Hi, this is Richa Chadha.
Hey, this is Aditi Rao Haidari.
And you're watching us on
Bollywood Hungama.
I read one of the interviews of Mr. Mishra and he said that he needed a male protagonist in such a manner that he should not feel intimidated by the fact that the heroines, they have a lot to say as well. And in terms of that if she gets jilted, she actually goes and fights the election opposite him. So which is like a new aspect as well. And there's one dialogue of yours that इस बार भागोगे ना तो कंटाप लगाएंगे, मैं तुम्हारी बीवी बनने को तैयार हूँ, नर्स नहीं। तो ये बहुत ही मासूमियत से आपने कहा है, लेकिन there's a hell lot of power in that actually.
Yeah, because
there's a hell lot of energy.
There is energy because as women we often end up babysitting the boys that we are with. और इसकी एक्सक्यूज़ हमें ये बताया जाता है कि अरे लड़कियां पहले मैच्योर हो जाती हैं, बॉयज़ विल बी बॉयज़ बट देन लुक व्हेन विल गर्ल्स बी गर्ल्स और women be women, we should all have equal opportunities to live. And I don't want to be in a relationship with anybody where I have to babysit. तो वो लाइन सच में मेरे दिल से निकली होगी because one has like seen the quality of men and then think मम्मी के पास जाओ ना कुछ हमसे क्यों बात कर रहे हो, उस टाइप का कुछ हो जाता है, एंगल आ जाता है।
Alright, and you have a dialogue that देखिए देव साहब आप बच गए, मैं जानती हूँ आप मुझसे प्यार नहीं करते लेकिन आपको मेरा इश्क मुबारक, which is like a statement as well that आप मुझे मालूम है आप मुझसे प्यार नहीं करते लेकिन आपको मेरा इश्क मुबारक।
I think that kind of girl is like amazing because there's a understanding of the truth and the fearlessness to face it. And also the fearlessness to love somebody very completely. It takes a lot of guts. Like, very often, the world perceives people who are in love and people who are selfless in love as very weak people. But to be selfless, we were talking about it even with Mehru. Be selfless.
We got a great response to that interview actually.
Oh yeah, I'm so happy to hear that. To be selfless and to stand there and look somebody in the eye and say that I really love you, regardless of the fact that of whether you love me back or not, it takes guts, and I think that it's a very true thing, and to be able to face your own truth is a very big thing. So I like that dialogue a lot actually. It's got a kind of in it, but it's also a very like that.
Yeah, very subtle manner it has been said. There's another dialogue, अगर वाकई प्यार पावर की ख्वाहिश हो तो दिल के मामलों को दूर रखना चाहिए, आड़े आते हैं, which is interesting as well. Which is interesting that in power struggle, if you want to get into politics, you should not be emotional.
It's not about emotional in this case. In this case, वो जो dialogue बोल रहे हैं वो I think Vipin Sharma is saying it.
I think so, yeah.
To me, I remember now, half round trolley shot. उनका ये डायलॉग ये कहना था कि don't make this war personal. कुछ जो तुम्हारा ब्रेकअप है उसको पर्सनल ना करो, दिल के मामलों को साइड रख दो क्योंकि आड़े आते हैं। और ये सच है, जो लोग पॉलिटिक्स में, अभी आपने पॉलिटिक्स की बात की, मेरा मन नहीं होता पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन करने का क्योंकि मुझे लगता है मैं भी बाकी लोगों की तरह कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ हो जाऊंगी। मैं भी सोचूंगी अरे मेरा फार्म हाउस जो है वो सीलिंग वाली लैंड में तो नहीं, अगर होगा तो फिर अरे फार्म हाउस लैंड मेरे को एग्रीकल्चर डिक्लेयर करना पड़ेगा अपने आप को, नहीं ठीक है, गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ कुछ बोलते नहीं है, मरने दो कुछ एक आध लोगों को मटन खाने के लिए, मुझे क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है। आई फील लाइक पीपल गेट कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड a lot because of their investments in people, in property, in their career, and I think that's it's such a true thing for today. जो अभी हम कैमरा रोल होने से पहले भी डिस्कस कर रहे थे, सरकार के हाथ में आपकी गुद्दी आ गई एक बार तो आप क्या कर लेंगे? I think it's better to be a free citizen and not be more than a compromised person who can't live with their own truths. That's one thing I like about Paru also. She has a lot of dignity. उसको लगता है कि हालांकि है भी flawed, she is grey, she gets बिल्कुल उसका कैरेक्टर फ्लिप हो जाता है जब वो उसको बोलता है कुछ अपने उसके पिताजी के बारे में, ही से समथिंग कि उनको नीचा दिखाता है, तो शी जस्ट फ्लिप्स, she is like, okay, now this is a battle now, it's an ego war, I'll fight an election opposite you.
Right.
That is so exciting. Hi, this is Richa Chadha
Hey, this is Aditi Rao Hydari
and you're watching us on
Bollywood Hangama.